You've memorized thousands of English words. You could pass a vocabulary test right now. But someone asks you a simple question, and you freeze. More words isn't the problem. Here's what actually is. You've been collecting words like items in a warehouse. Thousands of them. All separate, all sitting on their own shelf. But a conversation doesn't ask you to recite a shelf. It asks you to connect words together, fast in real time. And that's a completely different skill than memorizing. This is what's happening when you freeze. Your brain is searching through 5,000 separate words, trying to find the right ones and stitch them together on the spot. That search takes time, and in a live conversation, you don't have time. Fluent speakers don't search word by word. They use ready-made chunks, small groups of words that already come pre-connected. Here's how to build your own. Step 1, learn phrases, not just words. Instead of memorizing tired alone, learn I'm actually pretty tired as one single chunk. It comes out as one piece, not 5 separate searches. Step 2, build a small set of starter chunks. Phrases like, to be honest. I was just thinking. The thing is, these buy you time and keep the conversation moving while your brain catches up. Step 3, practice chunks in conversation, not lists. Say them out loud in a fake back and forth, not just read them silently. Chunks only become fast when your mouth has practiced them, not just your eyes. This is the after. Instead of searching 5,000 separate words, you're pulling out whole pre-built chunks. That's what makes speaking feel fast instead of exhausting. Try this today. Pick 3 chunks, not words, and use them in a real sentence out loud. That's how a warehouse of words turns into real conversation. If this helped, subscribe. Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.